Okay, so we're talking about the Pythagorean theorem. And its first assignment, why did the population expert feel like he was going crazy? And what we're doing on this one is we're looking at whether or not the given numbers are possible measures for the side of a right triangle. Remember, the Pythagorean theorem says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in it we're looking at a right triangle where the sides are a and b, and the hypotenuse, the diagonal, is called c. So, what we're looking at in the first one, they tell us a is 6, so just substitute. 6 squared plus 8 squared, and they're asking us, is that equal to 10 squared? So what's 6 squared?
36.
36 plus 8 squared?
64.
64. And we're asking, is that equal to 10 squared? What's 10 squared? 100. What's 36 plus 64? 100. So 100 is equal to 100.
Cool.
So with number 1, is it a right triangle? The answer is yes. And so letter I is O. So go down to, if A is 7, B is 24, and C is 25. Okay? And this is number 5. So 7, write it down, 7 squared plus 24 squared, is that equal to 25 squared? Now, one thing that will really help you, literally from now on, would be learning the doubles, or the squares, from 1 to 25. That is huge. But if, so 7 squared would be 49, plus 24 squared, anybody know it? Just off the top of your head? About 576. 625, or 25 squared is 625. You just get to know some of them. So what's 49 plus 576?
I don't know.
What? We're just adding now. Guess what? 625 is equal to 625, and that's a true statement. Let's try to find one that's not.
Number 8.
Oh, there we go. And that's a good one. So if A, excuse me. So if A is the root, is root 160, B is 13, and C is 18. Let's see if we can make that work. Okay? So what would the square of the square root? So root 160 squared plus 13 squared, is that equal to 18 squared? What's root 160 squared? Remember what we learned last week? If we had a root that was squared, what happens?
Same thing.
It cancels each other out because they're inverse operations. So this would be 160 plus, what's 13 to the second power?
169.
169. Remember, and 14 is 196. And what's 18 squared? 324. So 160 plus 169 is 329, is not equal to 324. So you'd answer no on that one. Questions about that assignment? Pretty easy. And honestly, as long as you know how to calculate squares and square roots, figure them out, this one's pretty straightforward and it's a good introduction.